AM by AB and AN by AD both are equal to AL by AC. So according to the postulates of Euclid, things which are equal to the same thing are equal to each other. So that means this part is the AM by ADB equals to AN by AD. That goes in this way from 1 and 2. From equations 1 and 2 or comparing equations 1 and 2, we can write from equation 1 AM by AB that is equals to AN by AD, which is our RTP. Hence prove. That will be the question number 3. As per the notes of mathematics, you need to follow me. Whatever the blackboard work is there, you need to copy in your notebook. As you have an advantage that you can play this video again and again, you can copy. And if you say that the board is not visible clearly, you use a big screen like tab, laptop or computer or TV. If you use in that big screen, board will be clear. I have tested it. So the same thing you need to write in your notebook along with the question in black pen. Solution will be in blue pen, you write. And the maintain notes. Separately notes will not be given. So blackboard work you need to copy. This will be for question number 3. Regarding this, if any question you have any doubt, you post that doubt in 10th learners group. There I'll respond and I'll explain. I'll place another video for your doubt, how to clarify it. Or orally you can interact with each other and you can ask doubts and I'll explain or clarify that doubt. I draw the figure. So figure is there in your textbook. So write for question number 4. Question number 4, if you see your textbook in figure 6.19, here also we are given DE parallel to AC and DF parallel to AE. Prove that BF by FE equals to BE by EC. The thing benefit for us, the good thing is the diagram is given. Otherwise, we need to draw the figure by using this data. Question number 4. To draw a figure, here we have a triangle. ABC triangle is given to us. ABC triangle on which side AB they gave a point D. And from A on BC they gave a point E here. And as well as from D. And another point is also located on the side BC, that is labeled as F. ABC triangle DEF. Here this DE also joined in that. So for this question, this is the figure given, and if you write given and RTP for this question, CE, or if we have DE parallel to AC, one of the thing which is given to us, DE parallel to AC and DF parallel to AE. And our RTP for this question is BF by FE is equals to BE by EC. This is our RTP for this question. We need to, so in order to solve this, we need to understand the diagram clearly. What is given? DE parallel to AC. This DE is parallel to this AC. And the other one they gave us, this DF is parallel to AE. So for that you need to take the two triangles in a similar fashion for the other question which we have used. In the same way we can apply basic proportionality theorem also, because they are saying that this DE is parallel to AC. So which triangle you need to consider in which AC should be there and DE should be there? And a triangle in which ABC triangle, if you see, in that ABC triangle we have AC and as well as this D is on the side of AB and DE is a point on the side BC. So we need to take triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, by using basic proportionality theorem, I can write that a line drawn parallel to one side intersecting the other two sides. ABC is a triangle in which DE is parallel to one side AC intersecting the other two sides AB and BC. So it should divide them in the same ratio. So what you write means BE by EC I need. So I will write BE by EC. BE by EC for this side and for this side I need to write BD by AD. This I wrote by using basic proportionality theorem. Let's say I'll take it as equation 1. This part I got BE by EC equals to 1. And the other one I have BF by FE. So I have to take the another triangle in which BF and FE both should be there. The thing is given to us is DF is parallel to AE. The ABC triangle we have taken. So which triangle we have to take means I'll take a triangle this ABE. In this ABE triangle, this DF is a side which is parallel to AE, just given to us, intersecting the other two sides AB and BC. So it should divide them in the same ratio. Similarly, if I write for the triangle ABE, so similarly if I apply basic proportionality theorem here, this BF by FE, so BF by FE I'll take for this side. BF by FE is equals to, on this side if I write BD by AD. This also we are writing by using basic proportionality theorem, and I am taking this as equation 2. Part is that I am writing here up from below from equation 1 and 2. What we have see in equation 1 we have BE by EC equals to BD by AD. Similarly in equation 2 if I see BF by FE equals to BD by AD. And comparing these first and two equations, both BE by EC and BF by FE are equals to the same thing, BD by AD, like the previous question same. These two things, BE by EC and BF by FE are equals to the same thing, BD by AD. So these two are equal to the same thing, so these two are also equal to each other. I can write that as BE by EC equals to BF by FE. And comparing these two equations, this is under RTP, so hence proved. Just you need to draw your figure over there. By looking the figure, highlighting the things which you are using, you can solve that.